Hey y'all, what is up? It's Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a full-on spring prep vlog. It is officially springtime. It's probably one of my favorite times of the year because it's getting warmer. It's not too hot, but it's just perfect. I have my bright colors on. I'm just feeling very springy, very much in the spring mood. So yeah, it's time to start prepping, kind of swapping stuff out from winter to spring, getting prepared for Easter, which is like around the corner. So crazy to me that it's like pretty much Easter time. But yes, it is officially that time of year. So yeah, today's vlog is all about all things spring prep. The first thing we're going to be doing in today's video is doing some spring shopping. I am about to head into Kohl's to not only get some things for Valerie, because Valerie definitely needs just some spring clothes, but also to kind of look around and see what they have for Easter. So yeah, I'm about to head inside, see what Kohl's has. Of course, I'm going to take you guys along as I shop around. Let's go ahead and do some shopping. I'm super excited to check out Kohl's and see what they have for spring and the Easter holiday. So as soon as I got in there, I headed straight to the baby section because I wanted to see what clothes they have for my niece. I have a 1-year-old niece now, and so I wanted to see like what kind of big girl clothes I could get for her. And y'all, the options are endless. They had so much cute spring clothes. The dresses were so adorable. Like, I definitely got her multiple because the style was just so cute. And I know my sister, I know she prefers more muted colors, nothing too crazy. So I definitely found quite a few dresses for her. And then I went on over to the big girl section for my daughter. And I was just so in love with everything that they had. I really felt like the spring collection is just chef's kiss. Okay, so they had so many cute spring sweatshirts, shorts, t-shirts. And if y'all didn't already know, Valerie is a graphic tee girl through and through. So I just loved like the variety of clothes that they had for the children. I also really loved this sweatshirt. Honestly, a lot of the clothes was giving more like flower child, free spirit vibes, but honestly it fits Valerie's personality perfectly. So of course I grabbed a sweatshirt. I also got this cute denim jacket that I thought would be perfect for her. We could match, and it would of course keep her warm on the cooler days this spring. Of course, I had to check out the Easter section because I do not want to wait until the last minute to start working on Valerie's Easter basket. Kohl's definitely came through because they had everything that I could possibly need for her Easter basket. They had candy, they had decorative eggs, egg decoration kits, little toys and trinkets, and even Easter baskets, which I thought this little like chick one was super cute, so I grabbed that for Valerie as well. And I don't know, I just feel like I got some really good things that I know Valerie would actually be happy about whenever she opened her Easter basket. So safe to say that my trip to Kohl's was a success. So I would definitely recommend you guys check out Kohl's for all of your spring and Easter holiday needs. It has been a few days since I did my spring shopping for Valerie, and even though it's been a couple days, I have still been kind of getting the house prepped and ready and just doing different things like just life-wise for this new season. I feel like, I don't know about y'all, but I feel like for me, whenever it's spring, life just gets so busy. Like a few things that we have coming up is my sister is getting married. So her wedding is coming up in a couple of weeks. Spring break, all of like the just end of school year, you know, school activities, school programs, all that stuff is coming up. Just life, traveling, just doing, you know, stuff. Work has been really busy. Grateful for all the work that I have been blessed with, but honestly, it has been really busy to where it's taking like a slight little toll on me. But of course, pushing through because it is a busier season. So work has kept me busy. Just a lot of like personal stuff has been keeping me busy, which means because I am so busy, I'm trying to be proactive. I actually just had cleaners come out the other day to do a deep clean because even though I have been keeping up with my weekly, you know, cleaning routine, I just did not have the energy at all to deep clean. So I had cleaners come out and then they deep cleaned the entire house, got the baseboards, dusted everywhere, like wiped everything down. So my house is like, actually have like 3 loads of clothes that's just waiting for me to fold. So I'm gonna knock that out today as well. Today is the day where I'm knocking like 2 weeks worth of clothes out at one time. So this is all of my clothes. Valerie's clothes are in the washing machine, and then I have to wash, yes, and then I have to wash my my sheets and stuff after that. We also knocked out Valerie's hair today. Knocked out her hair, come on boo boo. I showed it on Instagram. But Valerie's hair, it actually surprises me by how long it's getting. Like, her shrinkage is so real, but if you guys can see her hair whenever it's like wet, it's so long. It's like so healthy. It's super thick, but so your hair is so long.
My hair is so long.
It is so long. So I woke up this morning, like immediately knocked out like wash day for her, which I'm very proud about because I knocked it out, got her hair done, got her in the tub, like, so she is good to go for the day. But yeah, her hair is getting so long. So that's a whole different, what is this, boo-boo? A little like scar or something on your arm?
Where?
Right there.
Oh, I'm sure.
Yeah, sure. But yeah, so you went ahead and knocked out wash day today.
It
so
looks like a scar.
it does look like a scar. It does. So yeah, all that being said, mommy has been, oops, sorry, CP.
Okay.
Mommy has been busy, but trying to keep our lives together because we are both so busy. Like she be busy, y'all. She booked and busy. We be having like swim class and stuff, gymnastics, like just moving around, school. It's just so much going on. I love it, but yeah, she keeps me busy for sure. So yeah, that is like a few of the things that I have been kind of doing to just get us on track for spring. Valerie just ate some lunch. She had leftovers from last night. I am going to eat one of these meal preps right here. I can get off track real quick. That's just me naturally. I think everybody is like that. But personally for me, I can get off track. Hold on, y'all. I can get off track really easy. So if I am busy and like not really paying attention, I could easily start eating out way too much. I'll start eating like stuff that I shouldn't be eating and just doing things that don't really align with my fitness goals. And you guys know, like, I'm kind of in this wellness fitness era that I'm just really like goal oriented. I just want to feel the best that I can possibly feel, and I want to just look the best that I can possibly look, to be honest. So because of that, I'm trying to do what I can to keep myself on track, because at least if I'm, you know, I get meal prep meals, there's no excuse. Like literally I just grab one of these bad boys, put it in the microwave and eat it. So hands down, one of my like biggest spring hacks and just busy season hacks overall. So I got a few of them recently. If you are in the Houston area, I get mine from a couple places. Usually either this place called Balanced Foods, or I will order from Be Fit Foods. They are located both here in Houston, and they're priced, I think, reasonably well as well, and their meals are so good. And as somebody who like needs variety in order to not get off track, this is like a perfect way for me to do so. Okay, boo-boo, should mommy do the zucchini spaghetti with meatballs, or should mommy do the honey and garlic glazed salmon?
That one.
This one? The meatballs with the zucchini?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Val says zucchini spaghetti with meatballs, so that's what we're doing for lunch. I have been having this really weird like desire to try my hand at making ginger shots. I don't know why. It like happened yesterday, and I have been thinking about making these ginger shots. So I want to go to the store and just try it out. Just try my hand at making ginger shots, or like a ginger drink for myself. Val doesn't want to drink it. She doesn't want to try it. She said it sounds nasty. But I love ginger shots. Y'all know ginger shots, or just like juice shots in general, are ridiculously expensive. I don't know why, but they are. So I kind of want to go to the store, grab some ginger, some lemon, maybe some cayenne pepper, come home and just give it a shot and just hope it comes out good.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty. Act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go?
All right, y'all, here it goes. A little bit nervous, especially because I added apple cider vinegar, but here goes. Okay, so it actually was not bad at all. Like, it wasn't bad at all. I don't know what I expected, but it wasn't like super like strong or anything, like to where I couldn't deal with it. But I also love ginger, so I guess it's not saying a lot for me because I just naturally really love like the taste of ginger.
Hey guys, so we're about to make cookies. About to make cookies.
Okay.
That I.
All right, so we're about to make our cookies, you guys.
And these are Easter and
Eggs and bunnies. They're Easter cookies that we're gonna decorate.
the bunnies and egg Easter cookies. They're gonna be so sweet when we decorate them.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so we're about to get down.
Go ahead, what'd you say?
I said, okay, so we're about to make our cookies and it's so good. Okay, maybe not. We're going to get done.
You're so cute. Okay, so first we gotta pick out which cookies you want. It came in a pack of 8, but I told Val we're gonna each do one. I said if you get more than one, you're gonna be doing what?
Running around, not bouncing off the wall.
Bouncing off the walls.
No, I said running around, not bouncing off the walls. Kids not butt off the walls.
Okay, can you pick out which one you want? Okay, so you want the bunny rabbit.
Do you want the egg?
I'll do the egg, go ahead. Mommy will do the egg. All right, so we have our icing, and then we have like this icing too, I guess, but just like a much more precise.
We have these hard candies.
Then we have candy and lots of sugar sprinkles.
I love sugar.
You do.
You don't want to.
All right, so
we can.
I'm gonna use this box to help me out
We
because
can do the sugar. We can do sugar after I'll finish with all this hot stuff.
Yes. Okay. You ready, Sweet Pea?
Yeah.
All right. So let's.
Oh wait, let's get baking.
You said what?
I said oh what? Let's get baking.
Let's get baking. right, y'all, we are done.
Look at my.
So we're gonna show you guys our cookies.
And
All right, Valerie, we're gonna show them what you did first.
first, look. I add a green thing. A green.
Let's see.
dot
Where's the
for
the top of the bunny? Is it? Okay, here it is. Okay. So go ahead, boo.
On top of the bunny, I use pink around.
I can't see.
I use pink for traced. Then next, I put and then also I put green dots
Mhm.
for this and green dots for these little candies, and I put the white foil for the foil
That was very creative.
and white icing for the foil,
Mhm.
and then I got an eye.
Mhm.
And with the yellow, I'm filling all of the spots that are open.
Mhm.
And then at the end, I put sugar on it. Oh, and
Yeah.
I put candy too.
Yeah. It looks so cute. A cute little bunny full of sugar, huh?
No, I didn't even think Bunny's gonna eat. I think Bunny's gonna eat carrots, not sugar.
Mhm. Okay. And then here is mine. So I just have a simple Easter egg. I told Valerie I didn't want to put as much sugar and icing on mine as she did on hers because mommy didn't want as much sugar.
Kids love sugar.
They do love sugar. But mommy, not so much. So I kept it fairly simple. So I just have my egg. I traced it with some icing, added a little bit of candy and a little bit of sprinkles. And that was mommy's Easter egg. So this is what we have going on. Okay.
Mmm. I love it. This is so delicious.
It's so good.
We did really our best.
We did. It's actually pretty good, y'all.
And of course,
Definitely on the sweeter side, but it tastes good.
the candy tastes good too.
Mm-hmm. Well, I like the taste of the sprinkles. The sprinkles taste really good. This is good. We gotta do this again. We have like extra cookies we can make. So I'll probably just go ahead and save all the ingredients for like tomorrow or something. And we can do this again, but
Really good.
but yeah, this is tough. What'd you say?
But this is really good.
Yeah, it's really good. So yeah, that wraps up today's vlog, you guys. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If you guys did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already. As always, we love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and we will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.
Bye, and thank you for coming to the Cookie Squad.
The Cookie Squad.
Yeah, 'cause
is that what we are?
Yeah.
We're the Cookie Squad. All right, bye, you guys.